Hi, welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Jan, and this is a Mustang Piston popper, a semi-fantasy vehicle based on a Ford Mustang chassis. It was the fifth incarnation of the number 10 in the Matchbox range, following the 10D pipe truck. The model was issued from 1972 up to 1978. In 1979 the car was issued in white in several 5-packs. From 1980 up to 1983 there were several limited edition variations for the US market only, specifically designed to compete with the brightly colored Hot Wheels. All models featured the Rola-Matics mechanism, showing the red pistons moving inside the clear cylinders as the car rolled along. This pretty quirky model is based on a 1971 Ford T5 Mustang, of which I did a Siku custom restoration of the Mach 1 version back in the summer of 24, on the occasion of 60 years of Ford Mustang. The 1971 Mustang was the last but also the most radical and controversial restyling of the original first generation Mustang. The car was made larger, bulkier and heavier, the interior became smaller and visibility for the driver became worse, along with a decline in performance. This led to Mustang sales dropping as consumers rather went for the Ford Pinto or Maverick. It looks like Leslie was making fun about the limited visibility of the 1971 Mustang when designing the piston popper, by putting this huge engine with the moving pistons right in front of the windscreen and obstructing the driver's view. But all jokes aside, this model has had a rough life. It has lost most of its paint and has been repainted at some point in a similar color. The chrome on the engine part is all but gone and the windows and the plastic pistons are scratched. I won't do anything too wild with this model as it's already wild enough. I do like the Rola-Matics feature, and the model is in need of a thorough restoration and some extra detailing to make this look more like a real Mustang. So let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. The pretty popular piston popper is one of those fantasy toys with crazy wordplay names that Leslie designed to compete with Mattel's Hot Wheels. Although the huge engine with the moving pistons is fantasy, the car itself was based on a 1971 Ford Mustang. Like most of the popular toys, the car has had a rough life, so time for a factory reset and some extra detailing. Avid viewers already know that I'm a big fan of Tamiya's Mica Blue. This time it's a near perfect match for the piston popper. The engine was rechromed, the plastic parts cleaned and polished, and I decided to spray the bottom plate black, like with the 1983 model, which allowed for extra detailing, so it now looks more like an actual 1971 Mustang. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.